Thousands of settings in one folder for PC. Open a new folder. Name it like the text below. You will get this code on my video caption. Don't worry. Just paste it on the folder name. Press enter. You will get a new folder like this. This folder will give you all the access to your all settings for your PC. In one folder you can find everything for settings, like mouse pointer, changing time and date, USB settings, keyboard shortcuts, programs and features, office files, storage space, basically on everything. What you waiting for? Just copy this and make this amazing change today. Follow us for more videos.